What is going on YouTube? I'm finally back. It has been close to a freaking month. I've been swamped at work, and as you can see, I haven't been able to even cut my grass. Even though it looks great, I did get an opportunity to fertilize the lawn, but outside of that, I've done absolutely nothing to it. So this weekend, I'm getting some time off of work, so I'll be able to kind of focus on the truck, because I've washed the truck maybe once as far as the Bronco, and to be able to cut the grass. So I want to give you guys an update on something I recently did on the truck that I think definitely enhanced it. And as you guys can see, I put the rear roof rack on top of the truck today, and I think it looks really good. I think it turned out really well. The instructions on these things, and just like a lot of guys or YouTubers who have this rack on the back of their Bronco, and again, this fits all Broncos except for the two-door and the Sport. So this is a really good option. I really like the way it came out, but the instruction on this thing was just absolutely horrible to navigate through. It did have some pictures to kind of illustrate some stuff, but even that was a little off at times. But I did get it done with one of my friends, again, him jumping in and helping me with this thing. But it really just gave a different look to the truck, so I'm really happy with it. So guys, what this video is really about is not only the ownership thus far on the Bronco, but also what I think as far as what I need to do next as far as a modification. So that is a mod, but I am looking at doing some other stuff. You guys know in my previous videos, I've always focused on wheels and tires as far as getting that done. But particularly on the Bronco Raptor, I really like the bead-lock capable wheels that come on the vehicle. 17-inch wheels and I really just like the look of it. I think it just really gives a really nice look to the Bronco. But you know, in the past, I've always went with a negative offset. I don't know if that's something I want to do with this. I think the stance on it looks pretty good already. I was thinking about maybe adding some wheel spacers. So you guys that have added wheel spacers to your Bronco, whether it's the Raptor or just one of the other Broncos, let me know how you feel about that. But that's what I'm thinking about doing next on the Bronco, is doing something with the wheels and tires on this thing. The all-terrain tires that I have on here that came with it, the BF Good wrenches, I think they're working out pretty well. I've had no issues with them actually at all. I do really enjoy driving the Bronco. Really nice drive on the highway. Really nice drive doing the you know, my commutes to work. But also a really good drive when it's raining. And I was a little skeptical about that because, again, this is a pretty wide vehicle. So it's sometimes you can get that little nudge. And I know a few people talked about they had some issues with traction on theirs, but I haven't experienced any of that stuff with mine. So I'm really thinking about the next mod, but I'm really enjoying this one. I think it turned out really well. Now this one just only have the two crossbars that kind of go on it, and I'll kind of lean up so you can kind of see it. But again, it's very similar to what the guys were putting information on YouTube about as far as what they've done with their modifications. But guys, I haven't really spent a lot of time modding this thing out. As you know, I've done the other previous vehicles. I've really just been trying to get back in the swing of really having another Ford ownership experience with this vehicle. So I'm doing my first oil change coming up in the next couple of days, and I'm going to shoot a video on the lot because I know they've had some more inventory come in there. So I'm really excited about seeing what they're doing. But I'm also looking at some things to do to the Bronco, guys. So for some ideas that maybe you have that you want to make a comment on, or leave a comment on rather, I really appreciate that. But I just really like the blackout look of this vehicle with the black appearance package. So I'm trying to highlight the vehicle and do some things on here that kind of, you know, complement it. And I've even thought about going on Amazon. They have caps to go over this to kind of black the back tail lights out. So I've thought about that. And it also has like almost like a cover that goes on this, almost look like a graded screen that kind of goes on the back of the tail lights. And it also does that also, I have that also rather, for the front of the vehicle as well. So the front lights as far as here is actually gated, or like a fencing that goes over here, and I really like the way that looks. But I don't know if that's something I want to do, because I think the Bronco Raptor is just a very attractive vehicle. So I'm very happy with it so far. So guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Nice, sweet, and short. Like I said, I really like the look of the vehicle now that it has this half roof rack or 3/4 roof rack, because it doesn't cover the front panels as far as the driver and the passenger. And I like that simply because I can still take off the tops on it when we go down to the beach. So I think that's going to really look sweet driving down the beach or driving on the beach, and you have that look going on. So guys, that's the video, and as always, like, share, subscribe, and I promise you guys I will be uploading more now that work has kind of slowed down for me. So again, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.